it's time to say goodbye. So today is the day where we say goodbye to the Honda Civic. It is finally time for it to go. I haven't got a swap, unfortunately. I have had to sell it. Not a lot of interest for swaps, which surprised me because I thought a lot of people like this car as a track sort of focused car. So let's take one last look at the Civic, talk about what we've done to it and what sort of money we've made on this. So let's talk about a little bit more of the cost of the car, the parts, what we've sold it for and what profit we're actually making. So I've got it here on my phone. I don't know if you saw that or not. If you did, fair play. So the car itself cost me £600, so that was our baseline. So I was going to call the series a £500 class GTR, but it's not really 500 quid, it's 600 quid. So we're just working our way up to the GTR. The car cost us £600. I've got a list here. It's as accurate as I can remember. So we've got the rear trailing arms, the suspension parts, so all those miscellaneous bits, the front and rear discs and pads, because obviously we converted it from a drum to a disc, so we need a new disc and pads for that. A caliper rebuild kit for the front. Handbrake cables, as the ones that come on the trailing arms were not long enough. A service, an MOT. So let's go through it. Trailing arms, 250 quid. That was because they were the upgrade to the discs rather than the drums. I could have got the drums at 180, which if I knew the car wasn't going to have this much interest, I would have kept them as drums because it's not benefiting me in the slightest. I thought the disc conversion was really going to make it a little bit more desirable, but it hasn't, so that's where we're at. Suspension, 200 quid all in and around. It might be a bit more, it might be a bit less, but that was for all the miscellaneous parts, the front upper wishbone, lower ball joint, track rod ends, all the rear suspension parts, all the miscellaneous suspension arms, added up to 200 quid. Front and rear discs and pads, 180. I don't know if I already said that. Caliper rebuild kit for the front because they had seized once it sat there, they were not working, so 60 quid. 50 quid. Handbrake cables, 60 quid. Service, 65. I'm not sure if that's entirely accurate, so I went a little bit higher because all I did was plugs, oil filter. The air filter was a K&N, so I gave it a clean and just shoved it straight back in, as you're meant to do with those filters. And the MOT was 50 quid. I think it was 45, but let's call it 50. It's usually 50, which brings us to a grand total of 1,455, which is not bad going, and the price that I have sold the car for is £2,200. So just so I'm entirely correct about this, that is the profit on this car, which means we got £2,200 to buy another car, and ideally we don't want to keep putting money in. We want to try and use the profit from the car, or the total we've got now, which is 2,200, all of that into the next car to turn it around for the next. But for the first few cars, I can imagine I am going to have to put my hand in my pocket a little bit. I'm not going to be able to rely on that. But let's roll on to the next car that we've got for this series, and I will take you to it right now. So in that previous clip, you would have seen me go, right, boom, here we go. Let's come back with a new car. But we don't have one because the car was looking at and the deal fell through. So unfortunately we don't have a car, so this video is basically just to give you an update on the series of working our way to a GTR, to let you know how much we made, what we've got to play with, and what's going on next. If you have a car that you're willing to sell with some issues, you know, obviously I think the budget for a car is about 2k, 2 grand. Reason being because, again, like I said earlier, I can still put my hand in my own pocket a little bit. We're not really making that much money, enough money off the cars to sort of self-sufficiently buy and repair another one. So for the time being, I'm still going to have to fund them, which is fine. You can see the Golf in the background. We're currently doing some work on that as well. Hopefully a big update for that soon, real soon. But as I said, if you have a car that you want to get rid of, that is ideally like not your average car, so like Golf GTIs, BMW cars, something that's like somewhat desirable. The last thing I want to do, like that Civic, I ended up having that up for sale for nearly 2 weeks because it just wasn't as desirable as I thought it was going to be, which is completely on me. I thought they were a lot more desirable than they were. But if you are enjoying this, have any suggestions, have a car to sell, whatever, I'm in the Northwest, I can travel anywhere as long as it drives, please let me know, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.